all of my main speed cubes for now. So every summer I'm just gonna post a update video like all my main speed cubes of the summer of each year. So let's start off with the end by end and move on to the side puzzles. And blind. Starting things off with 2x2, we have the Diane Tungyung V1. This is really smooth. Honestly, the reason why I like this, due to like its smoothness and just very pleasant to turn overall. And that is basically why I main this cube for 2x2. Going on with 3x3, I'm maining the XT3 V1 by X-Men Designs. Honestly, this is one of the best cubes you can buy with $20. $20. The slice turns are incredibly good. It's really fast. And it's basically a $20 Tornado V3. It is that good for its price. Alright, next up for 4x4, it's the Aosu V4. Very good. Just overall a goated 4x4. Goated 4. Mainly because like due to its core magnets. It is a bit on the smaller side for 4x4s, being 58 instead of 60, but I can get used to that soon, which is, it's just good overall, okay? Very good, very nice, very fast. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the double track UV version, so yeah. For 5x5, this is like one of the, this is the one I keep forgetting the name, but this is my main. It's a MOU. It's a single track 5x5. See, really good, really fast. I think I put in a little much lube in it, which makes it a bit controllable. So, yeah. Or I just have very inaccurate turning. 6x6, here's another cube that I don't know the name of. I think it was like the Aoshi or something. Very good. I'll say can turn fast with it. Without like it locking up. I think I've heard like the Shadow V3 is coming out, so when I get that, I may or may not switch to it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get the Shadow V3 like as soon as it comes out. For 7x7, I main the Alfu. It is so good. Slice moves are incredibly good. M moves are incredibly good on this if you like aim your fingers correctly. Yeah, unless that happens. But overall, slice moves are really good on this. And it's also really bit small. It's like not too small, but you may know what I mean by the small. Honestly, just a really good 7x7 in general. Now moving on to the side events, I main the Chi MS Pyraminx. Well, I don't really do Pyraminx, so yeah. For Megaminx, I main the Diane Pro with the ball core. See, one of my favorite puzzles of all time. It's just so good. And if you're wondering about my color scheme, I'll probably make a video on that. But it's the orchestra color scheme. So yeah, it's very different from the regular color scheme, which I end up forgetting about. For Skewb, I main the Weilong Maglev Skewb. He's so good. So fast. It's very nice for me to turn. Just a great Skewb in general. For one-handed, I main the XT3 V1. Very good cube. Very nice to hold in one hand. Very good with M turns too. Very good with M turns and yeah, it's just very good. I can't do M turns, but I've heard it can be really good with them. Just a great OH cube overall. I don't get why people don't use this for one-handed. Okay, now for clock, this is very obvious. I pretty much main the GE clock. Clock, very subtle. It's very just. I only have the blue version with tape. So yeah, everyone, a lot of people, almost everyone mains the GE clock. So yeah. Now what else to say? Okay, so the next few events coming up are ones that I just don't do or can't solve, but these are just ones I can't solve. So 3 blind, 4 blind, and Squan and multi-blind are ones that I can't do. I just don't know how to do them yet. But for square one, I am maining the MGC. Yeah, yes, I do use the bumble scheme, just the bumble color scheme. Just roll with it, okay? I'm rolling with it. So many people just don't like it. I like it. It's really nice for me to control and turn. Just very nice in general. For 303 blind, I'm gonna probably be using the XT3V1, mainly because good slice, turn it down. It can be very quiet in general. So yeah. For 4x4 and 5x5 blind, I'm maining the MGC 4x4 for 4 blind and this for this Moyuku for 5 blind. And yeah, that's pretty much it.